Welcome to this progressive muscle relaxation practice. This technique is proven to reduce physical anxiety, help manage chronic pain, and to prepare the body for deep restorative sleep. Our goal is to systematically tense and then release different muscle groups. This helps you identify where you hold your stress and teaches your body the physical difference between tension and true relaxation. If you have a specific area of pain or injury, please be gentle with the tension in that area, or simply skip the tensing and focus only on relaxation. Get as comfortable as possible. If you're using this for sleep, lie down in your bed. Adjust your pillows and blankets now so you can remain still and be comfortable throughout the meditation. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale with a soft sigh through the mouth. With every exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Let's begin with the feet. Curl your toes tightly towards your soles. Hold that tension. And now release. Let the toes go limp. Now moving to your calves. Pull your toes up towards your shins. Hold that tension. And release. Now scrunch up your calves, pointing your toes hard. And release. Imagine the tension draining out of your legs and into the ground. Now moving to your thigh muscles. Tense the front of the thighs. And release. And tense the back of the thighs and the glute muscles. Squeeze them. And then release. Again, making gentle note of the difference between the tension and the relaxation. And now, moving to the stomach. Tighten the abdominal muscles. Scrunch them hard and hold. See if you can tighten them even more. And now release. Let the belly be soft. Let it rise and fall easily with the breath. Now draw your attention to your hands. Clench both hands into tight fists, even tighter. Feel the strength of your forearms. Hold. and then release. Spread your fingers wide, and now let them curl in naturally. Bend your arms at the elbows and tense your biceps. Squeeze them tight. Hold them tight by your sides. And release. Now open your arms wide and open the fingertips wide and squeeze. And release. Let your arms rest heavily by your sides, letting gravity pull them down to the surface below. Now onto your shoulders, where so many of us carry so very much stress. Shrug your shoulders tightly up to your ears. Tighter, raise them higher. Hold that tightness, even tighter. And now release. Feel them drop away from your ears. Let's do that one again. Shrug your shoulders hard, tighter. And now release with an exhale. Now your face. Scrunch up your eyes. Furrow your brow. Clench your jaw. Even hold a sour face. How else can you scrunch up your face? Raise the eyebrows high. Open the mouth big. And now, relax. Let the forehead be smooth. And let the jaw be loose. See if you can squeeze now the muscles in the top and the back of your head. Move your ears backwards. Raise your eyebrows high. And now relax. And finally, tense every muscle in your body at once, from the toes to your face. One big squeeze. Ready? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hold. And now with a sigh, let everything go. You are now in a state of deep physical relaxation. Mentally scan your body from head to toe. If any spot feels tight, breathe into that spot and invite it to let go. If during this meditation you have discovered areas where there's pain present, notice, while the pain may still be present, if perhaps the tension around it has softened or whether it has shifted. You are creating space for comfort. If your hope with this meditation is to find relaxation for sleep, allow your thoughts to become fuzzy and distant. There is nothing left for you to do. You are safe. You are heavy. You are at ease. If you wish to move on with your day, begin to gently move. Wiggle your fingers and toes. If you wish to sleep, let my voice fade into the background. I bow to the divine in you. May peace be with you.